We usually run our local servers on HTTP, but at times we'll have to test our servers on HTTPS in order to check some compatibilities. And when we are given such an assignment, we usually change the configuration of the server in order to enable HTTPS. This might not be straightforward simply like clicking a checkbox and enabling SSL on most of the servers. The configuration changes from server to server. A simple and generic solution to this is to use an SSL proxy in between your HTTP and HTTPS endpoints. The proxy will be running on SSL and it will change all the HTTP requests into HTTPS internally. So you can access your server at HTTPS and internally the local SSL proxy will redirect it to HTTP, and whatever response that you get from the HTTP server will be again changed back to HTTPS and given into your browser. To install the local SSL proxy tool, run npm install -g local-ssl-proxy. Then to start the local SSL proxy server, run local SSL proxy space --source 3010 and --target 3000. Here 3010 is the HTTPS port and 3000 is the HTTP port. You can assign the HTTPS port to any free open port on your PC and assign the target to the HTTP port of the already running server. And now whatever you were accessing at http://localhost 3000 will be accessible at https://localhost 3010. This works with any array of application or web servers like Apache Tomcat, Nginx, Oracle WebLogic, Express, and many more. All you need to do is run a single line command. Like and subscribe for more Shortorials.